This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable sharing and reuse of your content on Instagram. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Instagram. This should work the same on the desktop app as it does on the web version, but to enable or disable sharing and reuse of your content, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the pane on the left hand side. I'm going to go down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, on the middle pane here, you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says How Others Can Interact with You. And in that section right here is Sharing and Reuse. Click on Sharing and Reuse. And then on the center pane here, at the top it says Sharing and Reuse. It gives you numerous different options. The first one is Allow people to share your stories. If you toggle this on, you're allowing people to share your stories. If you want to disable that, you would just toggle that off. Then people can't share your stories. The next thing down is Allow people to share your posts and reels. The top thing here is Posts and Reels to Stories. You could toggle it on or off. And the next thing down is Repost on Posts and Reels. You could toggle that on or off right here. The next thing down is Allow people to share externally. Website embeds. If you want to toggle that on or off, by default yours should probably be toggled off, as you see mine is, but you can toggle that on or off here. And the final thing is Allow businesses to interact with you. Featured content requests. You could toggle that on or off. That is how to enable or disable sharing and reuse on Instagram. Thanks for watching.